सर भी जितने भी को एक्टर्स के साथ आपने काम किया है, आपका लिंक अप रूमर सबके साथ होता है,
Yeah,
सबके साथ।
I know. People still ask me to just leave Sumit and marry Paul. There was a news article in a very renowned newspaper that we are getting married. Me and Ritvik are getting married. Karan Singh Grover, that he was shooting mock shoots with different girls since February or March, and I came in October end. And I was the only one जिसके साथ उसने mock shoot नहीं किया because he's like मैं अब और किसी के साथ mock shoot नहीं करूँगा.
मैंने बीच में कहीं पढ़ा था that कबूल है दोबारा आ रहा है and you and Karan Singh Grover are in talks. तो is it true? कबूल है nothing can top that show. मतलब इतने सालों बाद भी आज तक लोगों को एक एक शायरी याद है जोया की.
I know. I'm so thankful to the entire team of makers of Kabul hai. I enjoyed so, and trust me Gayatri, जब मैंने करना, I'm not saying कि yes, I'm saying that I was pro. मतलब मुझे उन्होंने character समझाया, ये character है, and of course Gul is also fantastic. The writers are Prajita and Divya, जिन्होंने dialogues लिखे, who used to write the poetry. They were so clear in their head. And they were looking for Zoya. You know, Karan Singh Grover, that, you know, he was shooting mock shoots with different girls since February or March, and I came in October end.
Oh.
And I was the only one जिसके साथ उसने mock shoot नहीं किया because he's like मैं अब और किसी के साथ mock shoot नहीं करूँगा.
Yeah, because February से October, it's like
Yeah, they were looking for you know, the perfect girl for it. And I'm so glad that they shortlisted me and they went ahead with me because I really enjoyed playing Zoya.
मैंने बीच में कहीं पढ़ा था that कबूल है दोबारा आ रहा है and you and Karan Singh Grover are in talks. तो is it true?
No, we did in fact do one season. That was Kabul hai 2.0.
2.0.
Yeah, but we are not.
2005.
Yes, we are not continuing that also because of some internal things with the channel and with the production or something like that. But yeah, we are not shooting Kabul hai. I mean,
The fans will really get heartbroken after
we can shoot
listening to
something
this.
else though. I mean, let's just manifest that. We can play any other character, but Kabul hai Zoya said it's not happening again for sure. Yeah, sorry.
But how is your bonding with him? So many
With
years
Karan,
together.
oh, it's good again because I'm not a person who'll just go out and meet and chit chat. No, but I know that he's there when I need him. Whenever I want to talk to him, I do, and he's there for me. I'm there for him, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful what we share.
सर भी जितने भी को एक्टर्स के साथ आपने काम किया है, आपका लिंक अप रूमर सबके साथ होता है,
Yeah,
सबके साथ.
I know. People still ask me to just leave Sumit and marry Paul. I was like, okay.
So how would Sumit react to these rumors?
He is very mature. We don't even discuss. Yeah. I mean, seriously, it's not even a matter of discussion or even a joke. Like sometimes probably, मुझे याद है एक बार मैंने ही अपने बर्थडे पे कि पता नहीं पर्ल के बर्थडे पे I posted a series of pictures जिसमें कोई और था मेरे साथ और उन्होंने edit करके पर्ल की फोटो लगा दी थी or something like that. Yeah, so then probably it can be a topic of mockery or fun or like, you know, how people love a couple or like with anybody जिनके साथ भी link up की चीजें आई, but it's just their love for the character that we play. Yeah.
Absolutely. In fact, you know, बीच में जब आप ऋत्विक के साथ इतने फोटोज पोस्ट करते थे, इतने वीडियोस पोस्ट करते, झल्लो he would keep calling.
Yeah.
तब तो लोगों ने मतलब मान ही लिया था that you guys are together.
Yeah. There was a news article in a very renowned newspaper that we are getting married. Me and Ritvik are getting married. And after a couple of months, there was again an article that we are getting married. Like it was me and Sumit. I was like, this time at least they get the guy right. But yeah, it was, so now when I got married, then Ritvik said, I'm so happy. Now people would really understand that I'm single and they can approach. Because people were really under the impression that, you know, we were dating. He's like, अगर मैं किसी के साथ जाके बात भी करता हूँ तो मुझे ये सुनने को मिलता है अरे यार he is with Surbhi, what is he doing? It's like then I have to go and clarify that no, I'm not dating anybody.
But वो बॉन्ड इतना प्यारा है कि लोगों को एक लड़का लड़की दोस्त नहीं हो सकते. I think gone are those days.
Yeah. Oh,
Done
come
and
on.
dusted now.
Yes. I mean, it is not the case. It was never the case. I would say, like, for me, like me and Karan, we both are still very good friends. Like, very good friends. Because I think he's seen me grow. I've started my journey with him. And recently also we did an ad together.
Yeah, that ad. Oh my god.
I know, it was like so good. It was
So good.
Yeah, and I'm so comfortable with him, and I think we really share a very very good bond. In fact, with Varun also, he's probably one of the best people I know in my life. He's in New Zealand right now, not pursuing acting. But yeah, he's also my very very good friend, and we were always friends. There were like link up rumors there also. But yeah, I think ये एक लड़का लड़की दोस्त नहीं हो सकते is a very old school statement.
Done and dusted.
Yeah.
So सुरभि, अब हम आपको लेकर जाएंगे आपके शुरुआती दिनों में
Okay.
और आपको कुछ तस्वीरें दिखाएंगे, आपको उससे जुड़ी हुई कहानी बता दी।
Yeah.
ठीक
Cool.
तो पहली फोटो है आपके दोस्तों के साथ
Oh.
एंड हियर
Yeah, this was Thailand. Yeah, Thailand में गई थी and Dhanya, Asha and Riddhi. It was my first trip to Thailand. We really had a lot of fun. Yeah, it was fun. It was, I think, a boat ride हमने की थी. Yeah, and during this ride only, I did my first ever scuba dive and everything. Yeah, with Asha. Asha को भी swimming नहीं आती थी, मुझे भी नहीं आती थी, and then we still attempted that because you are with that gear and
Yeah.
oxygen cylinder or something like that. Yeah, so we did that. It was a fun trip.
For those who don't know who's Dhanya, it's with
Ritvik. Yeah. Yeah. Pearl और मैं I think नागिन से related ही कुछ event था.
There's a train, Celebrity Express speech.
Yeah. So it was, I think, Big Boss का launch था या कुछ colors का ही एक event था, and we were on the stage, and yeah, that was the time when I had bangs.
You still have bangs.
I know, back to square one. Yeah.
Yeah. नागिन की मैं अगर बात करूँ तो टीवी में अगर आपने नागिन कर लिया उससे बड़ा कुछ नहीं है.
Of course, it's the number one franchise.
It's the number one franchise.
And our season was so popular because I think we really had beautiful story.
Yeah.
The story and everything was just too good. It was very good.
This is my personal favorite song, and I can't tell you, I've heard it on loop and I remember each and every word.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful.
It is a beautiful
The
song.
story.
See, again, as I mentioned before also, किसी चीज को अच्छा होने के लिए हमारी इंडस्ट्री में पूरी टीम लगती है. It has to be like teamwork. So now Ali, fabulous actor. Our director was Guru. He's a very, very dear friend. He's the director of Mirzapur.
Okay.
So imagine that director, DOP हमारे बाबा, again, Mirzapur के DOP. And he is also an actor for Mirzapur. So उस time पे they took that team, and of course the girl also, they wanted to take somebody else, but then they said that no, it'll be like so Mirzapur. So then they called me and I did that song. It was in Chandigarh, Sukhna Lake के पास हमने ये shoot किया. And unlike many other songs, क्योंकि जब भी कोई romantic song होता है ना, थोड़ा high speed में होता है, slow motion में. But Gurmeet always does it like, on a real speed. And of course, there was a story. And and Vishal's
vocals.
Oh my God. He is just too good. He's amazing. I also had an amazing time shooting the song.
Amazing. And is this one of your first music videos?
It is
It's
my
my first music video, right?
video, yeah. Yeah.
Kashmir.
Yeah, this is very recent. This is while we were shooting Guna. And he's also very good. He doesn't talk much. It's very difficult also sometimes because I see, for me, when I'm meeting a person, again, as I told you that I don't have many friends out of choice. But when I'm working with somebody, when I get a chance to know about someone, for me, it's like reading a book. You don't know what's the story there. You don't know what are the characters. So for me, I really love talking to a person because I'm very present. You know, I really can't handle probably 50 people, but if only there are 5 people, I'm there. So with him, why I'm saying I had a hard time, because he doesn't talk. He is like, you know, so you really have to start a conversation. And he also realized that with me, and he says in his interviews that I'm his favorite co-actor. I don't know on what basis he says that, but because I told him that, you know, it's okay to talk to me. You please feel comfortable. You can talk to me. I'm not going to judge you. So you don't have to be someone else and start a conversation. But yeah, he's not somebody who will talk
Yeah.
a lot. But he's a very good actor.
He's a great actor.
Yeah.
We've discussed, but here we have a photo.
Mr. Sumit Suri. Yeah, it's
your wedding day. So,
my wedding
the outfit and everything, it's all decided by you.
yeah. Yes, I really wanted to go cliche. I don't mind cliche if it's good, you know, just for the sake of doing something different. If I like something which is going on since ages, जो सदियों से चलता आ रहा है, मुझे पसंद है. मुझे हल्दी पे पीला ही पहनना है, मुझे मेहंदी पे सूट सलवार ही पहनना है हरे रंग का, और परांदा लगाना है चोटी, बिकॉज आप मुझे पंजाब से निकाल लेंगे, पंजाब को मेरे अंदर से नहीं निकाल पाएंगे, राइट? सो आई एम अ हार्ड कोर पंजाबन, एंड मुझे लाल जोड़ा ही पहनना था शादी पे, और गजरा लगाना था. ऑल दोज क्लीशे थिंग्स जो मैंने प्रॉब्ली बचपन से, और जब से मैंने वो फिल्म देखी थी, what was that film where ऐश्वर्या looked her best?
हम दिल दे चुके.
Yes. See, हम दिल दे चुके सनम. तब से मुझे लगा कि मुझे बस नीता लुल्ला किसी तरह शादी के लिए तैयार कर दे, मैं बहुत खुश हो जाऊंगी. So, and fortunately I knew her. I reached out and I said that, ma'am, I really want to be a Neeta Lulla bride. And she's like, okay. Oh, that is also one wonderful lady. Like, she is so nice. You know, she customized this for me. She didn't have to, but she did, because she said, you know, Surbhi, it's your wedding. So I like this kadhai with this combination in this color. So she said, okay, I will do everything. I will customize that for you. He customized for Sumit also. And you know, मेरे लहंगे पे और उसकी शेरवानी पे same कढ़ाई थी, and oh my god.
Oh yes, I mean दूर से तो दिखेगा नहीं, but I can
Because
see.
Sumit is like, मुझे सब फीका चाहिए. So he is also like, you know, a very black and white guy. So he wanted to wear white, but I was like, कुछ तो दूल्हा लगो. तो थोड़ी जो मैम ने कढ़ाई करी, it was like same as my
सेम कढ़ाई है. हाँ.
Yeah. मेरे जैसे अपनी नानी के घर में ना ऐसी सुराहियां देखी थी, तो I just wanted to go like, you know, very traditional, जैसा old पंजाब में, old Pakistan when, you know, we were one, वैसा हुआ करता था. So I wanted that sort of कढ़ाई, and she did that for me, and she's amazing.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Both of you look amazing together.
Thank you.
With Salman Khan.
This, yeah, I think Big Boss का हमने एक promo shoot किया था. We just did that because we wanted people probably to think that I'm going to Big Boss, but I was not going to Big Boss. But yes, it was just a PR trick.
Would you ever go to Big Boss? Are you open to doing reality shows like Big Boss?
No. I think I'm not that competitive. I used to be very competitive when I used to participate in theatre and in debates in college. I won so many national championships in debate, but that's what I wanted to do. Like, you know, you just go and perform a character and probably say your lines. Big Boss is very difficult for me, but still, you know, never say never. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुंबई में ना मैं एक्टिंग करने आई हूँ, ऐसे किसी प्रतियोगिता में भाग लेने नहीं आई हूँ. You know, and by nature also I'm not that competitive, that if I'm just rehearsing and doing my best performance and still they're saying you were good but somebody else was little better. So I mean, I just don't want to go that hard on me. It's just not me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Again, a picture with your friends.
Oh my god, yeah, this is New Year, and yeah, a lot of them are there.
Sehbaan,
There's
yeah.
Asha, Sehbaan, Rahul, Aditi, Gina, and Afreen. And yes, it was New Year. Again, as I said that, Sumit is very, let's just be home and I don't want to do anything. He's not very big on, "Oh, it's my birthday, what are the plans? It's New Year, क्या करना है?" उसके लिए like every day can be like, we can be happy and the same. He's that. But then Asha called me and was like, "You want to come out and do something?" Because she's also someone who doesn't step out easily. So I said, yeah, I can come. So again, it's the understanding that, Sumit was home and I went out. I just enjoyed, had food with them and I came back. This was,
This was
New
nice.
Year 2024.
This one.
Oh my God, that's Mummy, Shanu and me. I think Shanu 3 साल का होगा और मुझसे 5 साल छोटा है. So yeah, I was, I don't know, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I was 7, 8 years old and that's my mom and yeah, that's my brother.
You look like your mom.
Really? I think I look like my father. I do. I look like my father.
You do?
Yeah. My mom also has like sharp jawline.
Yeah, I think it's because of the jawline. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा
jawline
है.
and chiseled face.
हाँ, इस वजह से लग रहा होगा.
Probably. Yeah.
But you're blessed with good jawline.
I know my mother can cut a tomato with her jawline. Like very, very sharp features she has. And my father also, they are fit and they really take care of their health. And yeah, it's just genetics.
So this for all the loyalists.
Yeah, that's
Asad and Zoya.
Asad and Zoya. Wow. This time is very, very close to my heart, when I was shooting with him because, you are getting so much of love and acknowledgement and people are just praising wherever you are going. And for that time also, when in every daily soap, a heroine is wearing sari or a suit or sindoor or, some those kind of a story. This story was very different,
बहुत different story
बहुत
थी.
अलग थी. The character was very different. I used to wear like denim and shirts, tuck-in t-shirts and
Yeah.
everything. So, not that I've done any daily soap before. Probably मैं और value करती इस चीज की. But I've started off with like that. So, imagine the bar was set so high for me since the beginning. So, and I'm so glad that my journey in Mumbai and my journey in acting started with this show because I've really learned a lot. I worked with best of again, teamwork.
Teamwork.
The writers are one of the best writers, they wrote Hira Mandi. They wrote, I think, half of Lapata Ladies. He was a part of Lapata Ladies also, Divyanithi Sharma. And Sitare Zameen Par Abhi Amir Sir ki ek film aa rahi hai. He has written that also. So he's doing so amazing. Again, I'm saying that it has to be like a teamwork. You alone as a producer, as a director, as an actor, as a DOP cannot do anything. You really need like good team.
Okay.
Oh, that
Nagin
again, Moni, Arjun and Karan. I think this was the end of our season and she just came for a couple of days just to, give a twist to the story. And she's also wonderful. I adore her. I love her. Beautiful person. Again, we don't talk much. That's my story with probably everyone.
अब तक वो establish हो चुका है.
I know. But still, if there is anything, I can call her. She can call me. Whenever we meet, we talk so honestly, heart to heart. And I think that's what matters. Oh, that's me and Anita. Vishakha. Again, she's one of my favorite people.
Yeah.
That's the reason she was there in the wedding. Of course, she's I love her. Very honest, very simple, basic, like, no shosha and like amazing woman. She's an amazing woman. I love her for who she is, honestly.
Vikrant Masi.
That's me and Vikrant, yeah. Vikrant came little late to our show because he replaced another actor. But again, I really enjoyed working with him because he was equally passionate towards his work and he would put his 100% in every scene. And now also whenever we meet, it's like, you know, like good old times, and it's good. He's also a fantastic actor. He was always amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah.
He's amazing.
He is amazing. He was always amazing, you know. And look at him, what a journey, what nice projects that he's doing.
मतलब मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है जब मैं देखती हूँ कि ग्राउंड जीरो से कोई ऊपर पहुंचा है.
You just
बहुत
have to
खुशी.
follow your passion, and of course, if fortune favors you, then nothing can stop you. Absolutely.
This one with Akshay Kumar.
Oh yes. Again, they've come for some movie
Movie
promotion.
promotion के लिए.
And yeah, he's also very impromptu, very quick. He also doesn't take time, and very quick. I remember, you know, he was sweating. It was hot. We were shooting outside, and he just called his makeup dada. He was taking time, and I was wearing a burqa. He took my, you know, burqa, like वहाँ से पकड़ के ऐसे बैठ के उन्होंने ऐसे अपना पसीना पोंछ लिया. I was like, okay, you know, that's simple. He's that easy going, and like nothing. अपना काम करो, very professional. Just be on time, do your job, and go home.
उनका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर भी बड़ा अच्छा है.
Yeah, very spontaneous also.
बहुत spontaneous.
Very funny. That's true. That's true.
He's being applauded a lot for Kesari too also.
Really? I need to see that film. Yes, and I like Ananya Pandey. She's good. I really like how her journey is, you know. Like she's also been getting better and better with every project. She's good.
जैसा आपने कहा था ना कि नेपो किड आते हैं बट अगर वो अच्छे नहीं हैं तो लोग उनको बताते हैं.
Absolutely.
एंड आई थिंक अनन्या पांडे ने बहुत ट्रोलिंग का सामना किया.
Yeah, yes.
एंड वो दिखता है उनके काम में कि शी इज ट्राइंग टू बी बेटर विथ ईच
See,
ऑफ
everybody is not a pro since day one. Probably when I used to give interviews, I used to not talk like this how I'm talking right now. So nobody is a born actor, nobody is a born celebrity, and it is difficult, you know, and it's very easy to judge somebody and troll somebody, but वो बेसिकली इंटरव्यूज देने तो नहीं आए हैं. सो लेट्स नॉट जज अ पर्सन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द इंटरव्यू. आप उनका काम देखें, अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो बढ़िया, अगर नहीं अच्छा लगे प्लीज स्विच टू अनदर एक्टर rather than wasting your time on trolling that particular person.
एब्सोल्युटली.
Yeah.
To watch the full video, click here. पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए यहाँ क्लिक करें.